Ki samla pule jangka Women's College Shillong negasngi kelapun long yak jing yat gijat ka jar jar kumsi benta pan paw ke jing pursha alor ke jing sha thombor jong ki kynthei haganik jing yat gijat lawan bani donlang na kinong punya jongka college harangkat ki samla pule ke balas dang na plau jongka college mad yat jang ba ka lajmkra point fire brigade St Edmunds College dan kiti Don Bosco mad wan phai biang ha upper new colony kani ke jing yat gijat jong ki samla pule ka long kumsi benta pan paw ke jing snowlam halor ke jing sha thombor ke shale bi jot jangka we ke doctor ha ke we ke jaka sumar ya ke bala tip kerteng kum ka RG Kar Medical College bat hospital Kolkata wat Hapdeng uslap u bajur ki samla pule ki kut jingmut bani shimbenta ha gani ki jingyat da ka bara ki plakat ki bedoni ki jingtho pynrem ya ki nongle bamman bat ki jingtho skausen ya ka doctor ka badu no ya la ka jong ki jingem.
Awareness, you being conscious of your surroundings is very important. It can happen, danger can befall on anybody. It can happen to anyone, anywhere, but safety first. Safety we seek for ourselves, then we have safety for others. And nothing more being safe in a safe country, and we have to always work towards that safety. Thank you again for keeping the flag of the college.
So, ma'am, no need. Ma'am, so please tell us something about this silent rally today.
This silent rally actually we have organized in solidarity with Abhaya, and being a women's college, I think this awareness is very much needed. This atrocities against women it's really on the rise nowadays in India. It's become like a menace, and I don't know how, because the Prime Minister's plan is Viksit Bharat, to make India a developed economy in no time. But when it's human resource, which is half of which is comprised of women, how is the economy going to be a developed economy? I just don't get it. So that was the only purpose of this thing, to bring in awareness and let the government be more aware and take some very stringent measures. That is the only thing.
So, what do you have to say about the number of women, the number of crime against women atrocities?
Yeah, it's everywhere you hear. I don't have the exact statistics with me, but every single day you hear, and it's not only in Kolkata or everywhere. Bangalore, which was very safe. The other day it was in Bangalore also. So where will our girls be safe? We are saying that we should educate our girls and make them work. But when they are not safe at their workplace, then how is it going to work for the girls? Parents will always be scared to send their daughters to go out to work or to study for that matter. So if India has to really develop, then we need a proper human resource, and these girls government has to ensure safety of the girls. So.
What do you think? What will be the reason that such things, all these things are happening day to day? What will be the reason, ma'am?
I don't know what's gone to the mindset of the people. Maybe, I don't know, the education, boys, is very, very necessary. Plus, I think the internet also, what sort of materials they have access to, we are not sure. So maybe all that also plays a very big role in this menace which is there in our country. It's very sad.
What do you think about what is the solution?
Solution? Very difficult to say. I've been watching the news. People are coming with different ideas, but everyone says that it should start at home. How the boys are educated, what they see, and how they grow up. the importance, the respect that is to be given to the girls. We just can't blame the internet. Internet is needed for everything. So bad side will be there, good side will be there. But parents should guide the boys how to avoid these sort of things. I think that moral education, not only at home, even in schools and all, it is very, very necessary. That is
Your good name?
I'm Maya Shri Das, the Vice Principal of the college.